This is Pen Code, where we'll be writing code using the Java programming language. Today, what we'll be doing, we'll be looking at random numbers, how to generate random numbers in Java. Now, have you ever asked yourself, how come you have, when you print receipt, everyone doesn't have the same number of receipts? How come different people have different number of receipts? The idea behind it is something like this, where you generate a random numbers for different people. Or have you asked yourself, in a lotto, when they ask you pick a number and you pick the numbers, and after some time they run the computer and the computer generate a different number, and they try to compare the number that you've chosen and the number generated by the computer. Now, the number generated by the computer are just random numbers. So if you're lucky, if you pick a particular number that the computer will generate randomly, it means that you won. But if it doesn't match, it means that you've lost. So without wasting much time, let's quickly have a look at it and go into action. Now, the first thing we need to do, we need to write a comment to tell people what this code is all about. And to do that, we'll just say that this code is about random number. And what we need to do, the first step we need to do is to call the random class. And how to do that is I will just set random, and we can give it the name as random is equals to new random, and then we'll end it with a semicolon. Now, because we want to generate a number between 0 and 10, we need to declare a variable and assign number 10 to it. And then what we need to do again at this point is for us to, we cannot put that, let's do something like this without calling too much code, line of code, and then we can just say print, and then in here we can say this is random dot next int, and in here we can just call y, and if we run this code, we should generate random numbers. Now, if you see, we have 2. If we run it again, it will generate another number. Now, it will keep generating number between 0 and 10. And this is how you generate a random number. Now, in the next video, what I'm going to do is I'll design like a little bit just a lotto. I will ask the user to choose a number between 0 and 10 or 0 and 100, and we will run it. And if the number selected by the user matches the random number generated by the computer, it means that the user have won. The user won maybe £10 million or $10 million. But if it doesn't match, it means that the user lost. And so the computer wins, or whoever controls the computer. So this is where I'm going to end the video for today. If you've enjoyed this video, please do like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to leave a comment, as this comment will help us to improve on our videos. Until I come your way next time with another video, is bye for now.